Pedal your way to paradise, where your next adventure begins right at your front doorstep. Gear up and let's ride to my latest listing at 4480 Post Canyon in Hood River. This home is located just around the corner from the renowned Post Canyon Trails, a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and well known for its extensive network of mountain biking trails. From beginner-friendly paths to advanced technical tracks, there's something for every rider. These trails wind through lush forests and offer breathtaking views, making it a favorite destination for both locals and visitors. Living near Post Canyon means you're not just buying a home, you're investing in a lifestyle. The vibrant community of Hood River offers a blend of small-town charm and outdoor adventure. With local parks, a thriving downtown area, and the scenic Columbia River Gorge nearby, there's always something to explore. This home is perfect for those who love the outdoors. The full wraparound composite deck overlooks Phelps Creek, which is known for its clear, soothing waters and picturesque setting, offering a serene spot to sip your morning coffee and enjoy the natural surroundings. Now that we've explored the backyard of this home, let's step inside and tour this unique property together. Step inside and feel the warmth of natural light flooding through the windows. The cozy living area with its open floor plan is perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. It's inviting and it's ready for your personal touch. You'll love spending time in this kitchen. With sleek concrete countertops, elegant hickory cabinets, and stainless steel appliances, meal preparation becomes a joy. It's stylish and functional, just the way you like it. Each bedroom is cozy and offers ample storage for all your must-haves. Imagine waking up every morning in this serene setting. One of my favorite features of this property is the Treehouse. Fully powered and currently used as a cozy workspace, this Treehouse is perfect for those who need a quiet place to focus while staying connected to nature. If you're ready to ride into your next adventure, then this just might be the one for you.